I was at Advantage Ikate when we did the foundation. Then I came later when we did the substructure. What you're going to tell, this is called, we call it foundation in general parlance, right? But it's called substructure in construction. I'm not the construction person. I'll learn when we start all this today. It's called substructure. The strength of the building is determined by the substructure. Structure is solid, right? Your structure, you are convinced about what is going to come on it. Accepted that a client will tell you that Ikate is more of water and all that. Tell your client, say, "Okay, see what's in there under your building." With this one under your building, nothing will happen to your construction. Never, nothing will ever. So this now has a piling of 10 meters down. Already, from what you're seeing here, it has a piling of 10 meters down. Now this is the ground level. The structure will still not start. Level is still going to start about 1.2 meters above this ground level. So there's nothing that happens in this area that will ever affect this building. Those are some of the things that we need to let our clients know. Incidentally, we're not trying to run down anybody. There are some of the structures that you are seeing here. 5 years down the line, some of them will tilt, some of them will go down, and some of them will be destroyed and demolished, and somebody will buy it over. But not a building that has 10 meters piling down and it has 1.2 to 1.5 above ground level before you start the building, before you start putting the building on it. So that gives you a conviction. Those are some of the things that our clients want to buy into, that we need to tell them that yes, this area, it's not about whether Ikate is waterlogged. Compare the price of what you rent an apartment in Ikate to what you rent it somewhere in mainland that you think is a solid ground.